In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $40 very fast just by using your phone, and this is 100% free and very, very simple. And if you're interested in seeing a bonus method at the end of this video, make sure you watch the entire video because I'm going to show you my exact method that I personally use to earn commissions just like this. Now, let's get into the video. Alright, so what we're going to be using to make this $40 super fast is this website called Swagbucks. You may have heard of it, maybe not, but before you say this website's a scam, let me show you this real quick. This is $425 million plus what they've paid out to their members, okay? And this is 100% legit. You can actually withdraw the money. I've done it myself, and you can see right here, I'm not one of those gurus who just says you can make money with this but doesn't make money with it. I have 7,304 SB, which is Swagbucks, and how it works is you complete tasks and you earn Swagbucks or points. The nice thing about this is it actually pays you a real amount, so you know it's not like, oh, make $40 from doing one survey. And we're not going to be doing surveys in this video, although you can do it, but it's nice because there's many ways you can make money besides just doing surveys. And how it works, like I said, you do these tasks and you earn Swagbucks, and 100 Swagbucks is $1. So 7,300 is $73. And you can see you can earn 10 Swagbucks, 18, all this stuff. And there's a few ways to do it, and I'm going to show you the best way to earn the $40. But before I do it, I just kind of want to show you what this site's all about, okay? So like I said, you can do surveys, and that's where answer is. And then you can shop. So you can go right here and you can actually download like a Chrome extension. So anytime you're on a website and Swagbucks can give you a discount, you can earn cash back, a discount. And that's one way to do it. And let's go back again, because that obviously costs money. You have to shop. But if you're already going to spend the money, why not make a little back, right? Discover. Right here, we'll click on this, and this is just discovering deals, okay? So that's another way. And watch is another way. I did a video about this actually, where you can just watch videos and earn money, okay? And you don't actually have to watch them. You can just leave it open in another tab. But that's not the best way, in my opinion, to earn money because it's a little slower, right? And I'm guessing that you want to earn money fast, right? So this isn't a way to like get rich overnight. There's nothing like that. That's not at all what this is. But I know a lot of us have a lot of time right now, and this is a perfect way to trade your money for time. Did I just say that wrong? To trade your time for money. And so the best way to earn money with this website is by far playing games, okay? And if you go to discover special offers and earn, sometimes it will actually be in trending. This is a good spot to look for too, but the best way is playing games, okay? So you can see you can earn 20 Swagbucks here, 50 here, yada, yada, yada. And you can see if we go to games, 2,000, right? That's not bad, or 100, 1,700. But if we go, where was it? It's sometimes on trending, but right now it's, for me, it might be different for you. I would check trending again, like I said, but discover special offers and earn. Look at this, 4,800, that's $48. 4,000, play Rise of Kingdoms. Okay, this is the one I was talking about specifically because that's 4,000, that's $40. And all you have to do is play the game, which you may already be playing already, and join and get level 17. Okay, I've never played this game personally, but I know it's not very hard to get to level 17 in most games, okay? So that's literally all you have to do for the $40 on this specifically. But if you look around, you can see, look, $48. Now we're at $88. You go down here, you play this game, $20. That's over $100. It'll take you what, maybe a week, maybe a couple days, I don't know. But you can do it pretty fast, and if you're not doing anything with your time, you might as well do it, right? So that's what I suggest doing to earn the first little bit of money, and also you can refer your friends and earn money. It used to be $5, it's $3 right now. I believe they change it every month, but this is another way to do it. And if you click the link below in the description, it should be the first link. You can actually get a free $3 by using my referral link, okay? So that's another way to do it. Once you start making the money, I'll show you how to redeem it. You go up here, and then you go to redeem your SB. And then right here, you can see you can get all these gift cards, right? I personally would go with the on sale rewards, okay? And then you can also see most popular. This is on sale too. So instead of 2,500 swag bucks for a $25 gift card, you can get a $25 gift card for 2,200, so $22. So that's super dope, right? And I'm saving up my money until I decide I'm gonna probably buy, I don't know, maybe some new lighting or a camera on Amazon. And to help me pay for it, or to pay for all of it, depending on how much I have at the time, I'm just going to use the gift cards from this. And you can also get PayPal cash, which is legitimately money. You can get Walmart for $2,200. Again, I would go with the ones that are discounted. Visa, 13% off. Look at Gambit, 300 game tokens. If you play whatever that is, 33% off. Okay. So those are great ways to make money. And again, if we go back to the home page, you can do tons of things. You can take surveys, you can watch, you can do tons of stuff. But the games are going to be the best bang for your buck. And it's just not boring, right? We're already bored. You might as well do something somewhat entertaining, right? But if you're not a game person, if that's not your thing, again, you can do whatever you want. But if you want a bonus method that I personally do myself, and what I have done to earn commissions like I showed you at the beginning, like this, right? This is what's called high ticket affiliate marketing. And what affiliate marketing is, if you don't know what that is, it's just promoting a product or a service or anything that's not your own. So you don't have to create the own product. You don't have to do the customer service. You're just the middleman. Right? You're kind of like hotels.com or Expedia, right? They provide people with what they want, but they're just the middleman. Expedia doesn't own any airplanes. Hotels doesn't own any hotels. And all they're doing is they're just in the middle and they're bridging people, the buyer to the seller, right? It's that simple. And that's what affiliate marketing is. And that's truly the business model that changed everything for me. Me personally, I started with drop shipping and I was always trying to find something that would work for me. And maybe you're dealing with the same thing. But the problem more than anything is just not being focused and also just not having the proper training. Okay? I've bought a ton of courses where the training is just garbage, right? And that's why I like the program that if you go down in the description, you'll see something that says program that makes me $1,000 affiliate commissions. Okay, so not only can you promote this program and earn high ticket commissions, but the training they have inside of there is next level, right? Like it's the best training I've ever gone through. So not only can you make money with them, but you can also learn from them. You learn while you earn. And that's truly the program, like I said, that changed everything for me. And that's the business model, affiliate marketing. I have a ton of people asking me, how do you make money online? And that's how I do it. You know, I do little things like this and I do a couple other things, but affiliate marketing is truly the #1 way I earn money. And I've earned over $10,000 the last few months, which is absolutely insane coming from where I started. It took me over 6 months to start earning online. And sometimes it takes a little bit of time. But if you start out with the program that allowed me to earn my first commissions and completely changed everything for me, you could bypass all of that wasted time. All right. So if you're looking for a way to earn much more than $40, check out that link in the description. It's going to be the first link under the Swagbucks link, but you'll see it. The program that makes me $1,000 affiliate commissions. Just click on that link and you can get started today for just $7. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe button, and the notification bell if you have not done that already. And if you don't like any of those money-making strategies, you can check out either of these 2 money-making strategies right here. Thanks again for watching, and till next time.